What's going on, guys? This is Eric Cantu from Genius C Productions, and in this video I am going to make some quesadillas food. Okay, so the first ingredients that I'm going to use is called Guerrero tortillas, and these are flour tortillas, and these are it right here. I'm gonna also use the cheese, right? And I'm gonna use turkey ham, all right? So I'm making 2 quesadillas. So I'm gonna come over here to the stove, and this is the griddle right here, okay? So I already have it ready at 7.5. That's the temperature. It's already kind of like I can feel the heat, and it's ready to be used. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab one of these flour tortillas and I'm gonna set it right on the griddle. Just like that. Do you see the steam coming out? Okay, soon we're gonna be seeing bubbles right on the flour tortilla, right on the top. See the bubbles? See? That's what it looks like now. The big bubble. Be careful with it, because when you pop it, the steam kind of hits your hand and it will burn. So be careful with that. Okay, this one's ready. Now I'm gonna set it right on the plate like that. Now I'm gonna get the other tortilla. I'm gonna set it. So it's gonna be the same way as the first flour tortilla. See the bubbles? And these tortillas are really good. The next step is gonna be that I'm gonna put the cheese right on the tortilla, all right? See the way it bubbles up? I'm gonna pop it. See the steam? Did you see that? Be careful with that. If it grabs your hand, it will make it burn. All right. So now, there are the 2 tortillas. And this is the bag where the tortillas come from, all right? And you can buy this at Walmart or any Mexican store. I am in the state of Georgia. And yeah, there's some Mexican stores in town. So we got the tortillas probably at Walmart or at a Mexican store. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and add the cheese to the tortillas. So bear with me. Okay. Okay, I am trying to fix the camera. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add the cheese to the top of the tortillas, all right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get some cheese and just add it on top, okay? Just place it right on the top. Just like that. And these are called quesadillas. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to add the turkey ham. This right here. Right on the top. Place it like that. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna place it right in the microwave. So I'm gonna place the plate right in the microwave. I'm gonna set it for about 1 minute. And that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna hit 1 minute. What I need is for the cheese to melt. Okay, and I'm gonna take it out. This is what they look like. But now I'm gonna place this quesadillas right back on the griddle, all right? So what I'm gonna do next is I am going to fold the tortilla like as a taco. Just like that. Okay? What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna place this tortillas right on the griddle or the comal. I just want for the tortilla to get kind of harder and for the cheese to melt properly. Right after this, you take a bite. If you want, you can add salsa, whatever you want to add to it. That's what it looks like. The cheese. You can also, when you add the cheese and the turkey ham or whatever kind of ham you want to add. You can also add shrimp to the quesadillas. It's really up to you. Or chicken. Whatever you want to add. You know, you're the one who's going to eat it. But this is the way you make quesadillas. You just want the cheese melted as possible. I burned my fingers. You see the cheese? Cover it up. And just let it for a little while. Just leave it there for a little while. And this is how you prepare an easy meal. Okay, once it's done, you can just go ahead and turn off the stove. Then you can go ahead and set them. They're real hot, so be careful with your hands. Be careful with your fingers. This is what the quesadillas look like. Now you can go ahead and take a bite or just set it, you know, for a little bit and let it kind of warm up, and then you can eat your quesadillas. Right now I am going to go ahead and take a bite. But first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get myself a cup of water. Okay? What's up, guys? This is Eddie from Genius C Productions, and these are the quesadillas right here that I just showed you. My hair.